Hello everyone. In previous video we have seen how to render these elements. In this video we will cover how to post request works, and we will enter some data into this input element, and we need response. In back response we need new to-do list. So let's start. So we are in my VS Code. Now let's start with fetch function. So we'll use fetch function. So we need URL. So let's go to our Chrome and just copy this URL, close this, provide here URL. Now we need some properties. So method, we are using post method. Now let's provide here headers. So in header we have to provide here content. Just follow along with me. Content type application slash JSON. Also we have to provide here body. So in body we will provide here JSON dot stringify and our to-do gem to-do. Also let's take response. So let's print response console.log. Let's print here response. Also catch the errors. So let's print error, and now let's check our output. You can see output. So let's enter something. Let's say hey and press on add to do. Nothing is happening. Now let's refresh this page, and you can see our output is reflecting. Let's enter something again. Let's say hi and enter. You can see nothing is happening. Let's refresh this page and hi. So you can see every time we have to refresh our page for looking at new output. So let's see how can we resolve this. So let's go to VS Code and let's go to app.js. Now we need to pass this fetch data function as a props. So let's provide here fetch data, and let's go to forms and let's consume our fetch data function. And whenever I got response from this post request, then we have to call fetch data. So let's call here then, and let's call fetch data function after response. Now let's check this output. So now I'm entering something. Let's say fake data, enter, and you can see we are good to go. Let's enter something again. Let's say enter, and you can see. Now after entering we need to clear this input. So for that we will provide here set to do null. So let's refresh this page and let's enter something. Let's say buy milk and add to do, and you can see input is clear and you can see new output. So that's how we can deal with post request. So that's it for this video. We will cover next concepts in further videos. Bye bye.